Hey world, Christian here. Hello world. My hair looks insane when I wake up. I'm about to go camping for a couple of days, and then I'll be heading down to North Carolina because my great grandfather passed away. So, yeah. Alright, bye. Hey everybody, Christian here. So, I had to drive back to where I was because I forgot my headphones. I'm always forgetting something. And I got some groceries for the next couple of days. So, yeah, you'll see me in a little bit. Why is there nobody ever in that bitch? I've never seen that fucking building, and they always tell you to go over there. Hey y'all, Christian here. Just a thought from Coolio's little cousin. Two things that I never thought that I would do, ever, before. One is driving a pickup truck. When I was younger, I only wanted like the smallest whips, just so I could whip them bitches around, like really easy. That's why I had a Miata and a Passat. I had a Volkswagen Passat. That was my first car. It was white with black interior. But it was a lemon like a motherfucker. This shit was sour as a bitch. But, yeah, driving a pickup truck, never thought I'd be doing that. The second thing that I never thought I would be doing. What was it? I remember. The second thing that I never thought I would be doing, or never thought would happen, was me having braids. I never could thought in my younger days that I would have braids or any type of longer hair. I always thought I would just have a fresh cut all the time, or a cut hair. But now I'm 30, driving a pickup truck, and I got braids. So, two things that I just never thought I would do, or at least never thought of doing in my past, that I'm doing now. So I don't know. Bye. Going to take a shower while I wait for the camp spot to be open. Yeah. Alright, so I'm here. There's Johnny Quest. And the reason why I wanted to pick this one is because this is all the way back here. So it's kind of like more hidden, kind of. Even though there is somebody really right there. I think I'll put my tent back here. Damn, my car is like kind of far away. That's fine. This one's nice.
There's nothing to be afraid of. We've been living in the shadows.
You better grab some coffee. Your mind's beginning to play tricks on you.
Hey everybody, so if you want to see how my curtains work, this is how they work. Got one of those like snow little things for the front, like the little snow cover, and I literally just put like two of these like little fastener things up here. So all I have to do is just clip this onto here and bam. And then what I also do is put this up so it's kind of like up a little bit more, but for the most part you can't see what's inside of here. And like that's what it looks like from the outside, so all you see is just frost guard. That's really all you see. Other than that, it's just blackness. We have some extra wood if you want it. Yeah. How long are you here? Oh, a couple of days. Oh, okay. Sometimes I come here and I forget wood. All you gotta get in that before in the forest. Now you don't have to worry about your fire a little weak. I don't know. Oh no, you're good. Oh, you're good? It's on the side there. Thank you. Like it's hard? Yeah.
She's calling you on her cell phone. Oh, where's the nice stuff?
You guys leaving today?
Yeah, we use plenty.
Kind of. I mean, I'll take anything. I'm a traveling artist.
Oh, you're traveling.
So I actually live on the road in my truck, so I'm always moving around. So I'll take anything people get.
Yeah, what do you want?
I'll be right back then. Do you ladies wear jewelry?
What?
Do you ladies wear jewelry?
Yeah.
Like necklaces?
Yeah.
Bro, I love when people give me firewood. This is so much firewood. Look at that. And they about to give me some food. See, every now and then you find people that are kind. You'd be like, oh, you're actually a kind person. Thanks. The necklaces. The people. Bro, these people just gave me like a trash bag full of food. Look at this shit. Look at all this food these people gave me. And they gave me firewood. Bomb. Alright. That helps. Anything I can get from somebody, from just the kindness of their heart, bro, it helps. And then I gave them some necklaces. So even trade, barter system, bro. Hello, everybody. So, what are we having for dinner tonight? Broccoli. Broccoli and drumsticks and a potato. Whenever you need some time to relax, have a Corona. Okay, now. This shit does not work. This little fire starter mountain wrap shit, it's just it looked like a piece of fucking like brownie mutt. Like, that shit do not work. You see how fucking easy that was? Now that's a fire. Burn, baby, burn. It's going burn, oh, burn, baby, burn. Ooh. Yo, for real, there's some real stuff. I mean, not necessarily in the idea of reality, but I'm just saying in the idea of like, oh, you a real one. What happened? It came to pass when Moses held up his hand that Israel prevailed. And when he let down his hand, Amalek prevailed. But Moses' hands were heavy, and they took a stone and put it under him, and he sat thereon. And Aaron and Hur stayed up his hands, the one on the one side and the other on the other side. And his hands were steady until the going down of the sun. That's real. Like, help your brother out. Not everybody can keep the torch up by themselves, but with help, we can keep the torch up all night. You feel me? I don't know. That kind of got me. But now, here's what fucks me up. Just listen. So, Uno, God. Jethro came, and he's meeting his son-in-law, Moses. Now I know that the Lord is greater than all gods. For in the thing wherein, crazy sentence, they dealt proudly, he was above them. Who are these other gods you speak of? Bro, we're not just gonna skip over this. Thou shalt not revile the gods, nor curse the ruler of thy people. Thou shalt not delay to offer the first of thy ripe fruits and of thy liquors. The firstborn of thy sons shalt thou give unto me. So was he like still taking the firstborns, just like he did to the people in Egypt? Or she did, God? I'm reading this as a fiction, not necessarily as a religious book. So, yeah, I'm going to read all of them. I'm going to read the Torah. I'm going to read, I can't think of anything right now. What is it? The Quran, Buddhist scripture, all this stuff. All right, bye. Now that's how you revitalize a fire. So if you can see, I have my chicken on one side, and then my broccoli simply there, and then I need a cover for that pan. Yeah. And then I got a potato. So one aluminum foil helps. My camp is over there, or at least where my stuff is. Got a little table right there. And then all the way over there is Johnny Quest. You can see him in the distance. And then if you would like, product placement. Wow. It's raining. I don't know. So I got. It really doesn't change anything. It rain, but I'm still cooking. Still gonna eat my food. Yeah. Just a quick look at the chicken, real quick, just so you can see what the chicken looking like. It's roasting really well. All right. Put that back on there. Put that. Back on there. All right. It's a little bit too much fire. I didn't mean to do all that. But so we about to do this, some funky flames. I'm in a little poncho right now. I wonder when the cover the other shit was hot as fuck. I couldn't take the jacket and the hoodie. That was too much. See? Look at the green ooze. Ah, I'm melting. I'm melting. Save me, 'cause I'm melting. Oh. Yeah, I'm a sorcerer. I hope my chicken isn't burnt. Let me check it. Yeah. Now, mind you, I just cooked this shit on a fire. So I want it to stick to the shit. Look at that. It's coming off the bone. It's coming off the bone. Look at that. Look a little burnt, but it ain't. But it ain't. Oh, this one kind of stuck. That one kind of burnt. Yeah, that's kind of burnt. But look at the other side though. Look, you see that? That shit is just coming apart. Oh, I'm telling you. And I ain't want the skin anyway. Put that in there. Fuck it up, fuck it up. Get this last little piece off. Look at that, bam. Ka-plow, plow. Ka-blang, blang. This other little piece of chicken. Boy, get some of this little sauce on there. I'm about to fuck this up. These little sauce jones. Alright. Alright. Yo, one thing I never understood about this movie is this scene. What the hell are these little ass napkins doing? You see all that blood? What the hell is Blade doing? What are you doing? You're probably infecting it even more. What the if you don't get a towel and something wet at least, he's just wiping them off with a dry ass like McDonald's napkin. What are you doing? Look at that. What are you doing? He ain't even wipe nothing off. I never understood this scene. It's so, look at this shit. Oh, let me help you, Whistler. With this McDonald's napkin. I never look at all that shit on his neck. What the hell is he doing with that little ass napkin? Getting ready for war. The plant. Eyes closed. I'm ready. I'm gonna look at the plant. And I'm gonna cut it. Yeah. So I'm in the bathroom charging my stuff. Hey world, Christian here.